Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nazaulia. Saya dari kelas manajemen 24A dengan NPM 244111123. Here, I would like to present and explain the topic of mathematical models, which can be seen in the PowerPoint behind me. A mathematical model is a formal representation of a real-world system using the language and structure of mathematics. It provides a framework to describe and analyze the behavior of complex phenomena, from natural system to human-made system, by transforming them into a set variable, parameter, and mathematical relationship, such as question inequalities or statistical distribution. The parameter I'm constructing a mathematical model is to gain insight into how systems behave under different conditions, predict future states, optimize outcome, or explain observed phenomena. In this extended explanation, we will deeper into the nature and structure of mathematical model, how they are constructed, and how they are used in different domains. Component of mathematical model. Variable. Variable represent the quantities that can change in the system being model. They are typically divided into two broad categories. The first, independent variable. These are the input or factor that drive the system. Independent variables are not affected by other variables within the system, but they influence the independent variable. For instance, time is often independent variable in model describing the process over time. The second, dependent variable. These are the output or response of the system are the influence by change in the independent variable. For explains, in a population growth model, the population size dependent variable change based on the passage of the time independent variable. After the next one, parameter. Parameters are constants that characterizes the system being model. While variable can change, parameters usually remain fixed within a single scenario or model run. They define the specific condition or rules under which the system operates. For instance, parameters in an economic model may include tax rates, interest rates, or consumer preference. While a biological model, they may include birth rates, death rates, or disease transmission rates. Parameters often need to be estimated or calibrated based on the real-world data to ensure that the model accurately reflects reality. On estimate, they help to control the behavior of the model. Thank you. Objective function in model used for optimus, such as is economic, finance, or engineering. There is typical and objective function that needs to be either minimized or maximized. For example, a company may want to minimize its cost while production a certain amount of goods, or an investor may want maximize return from a portfolio of assets. The objective function typically depends on the variable in the model and is often subject to various constraints. Types of mathematical model. Deterministic model. Deterministic model provide a direct relationship between input variable and output variable, meaning that for a given set of the input, the model will always produce the same output. There is no element of random or uncertainty in such model. Example include classical mechanics, where the future state of a system completely determined by its initial condition and the laws of motion. Static versus dynamic model. Static model describe a system at equilibrium or at specific point in the time without considering how the system evolves. Dynamic model, on the other hand, describe how the system changes over time. They often involve differential equations to capture the rates of change variable. Linear versus non-linear model. Linear model assumes the change in the independent variable lead to proportional change in the independent variable. They are simpler and easier to solve but may not always capture real-world complex text. Non-linear models are more complex and capture more realistic relationships, but they are also harder to analyze and often require numerical methods for their solution. Model construction process. The first, formulation. Begin by clearly defining the problem and identifying the key variable and parameter. This often involves simplifying in the real-world system through assumption to focus the most important aspect. The second, mathematical representation. Translate the problem into mathematical terms by establishing relationship between variables, typical in the form of equation or inequalities. The three, solution. Solve the mathematical model using analytic methods. e.g. calculus, linear algebra, or numerical method. e.g. finite difference methods, Monte Carlo simulation. The four, validation. Compare the model prediction with real-world data to see if the model accurately represents the system. If discrepancy exists, the model may need to be adjusted or refined.